Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for volunteering to transcribe the State Library of Massachusetts Colonel Alfred Stedman Hartwell collection. This brief tutorial will show you how to navigate from the page's website. You can refer back to this video at any time, as well as a style sheet for specific transcribing instructions. Also, as a reminder, you can see these documents in their full original form by clicking on the links within the Hartwell collection finding aid. On FromThePage.com, click Sign in the upper right corner. Enter the information you used to sign up for your From the Page account. You will see Collaborator Dashboard on your screen. This is where you can find the project you are working on. As you can see here, as a Hartwell Collection volunteer, I have been assigned to work on pages from the outgoing correspondence portion of the collection. In this example, I have 5 pages assigned to me, and they are 0% complete. I can either click on Start Transcribing, which will take me to the first page, or I can click Outgoing Hartwell Correspondence. This will let me see all 5 pages on one screen and the progress I've made on each one. I can then click on whichever page I want to go to. The first page I've been assigned to is page 15 from Outgoing Correspondence. What you see here is my workspace for transcribing a page. You can play around with the view settings here to see what you like best. You can click full screen to expand the view. You can also change the image to be displayed on the left, the right, top or bottom of the screen with your workspace shifting along with it. If you hover over the page, you can see options like zoom in and zoom out. You will probably use these the most. You can also adjust things like the brightness here, but we are going to focus on zoom and moving the page around. As you click zoom in, you can also click, hold, and drag your mouse around the page. Now I'm going to begin transcribing. As you can see, I'm returning to work I haven't finished on this page. You can save your work as you go and come back to it whenever you want. Make sure you are under the Transcribe tab. Click inside the white box, which is called the text editor. I'm going to start with the first words and enter a line break each time the letter starts a new line. I'm going to rely on the style guide for the rules around transcribing. We have an early example of the tag superscript here. I'm going to click the Sup button and then type TH inside the tags. I will then click outside the tags, space over, and continue on. On the next line, I can tell the first letter is B, but I don't know what the second one is. For now, I'm going to follow the style guide instructions and put square brackets around this word and a question mark where it's unclear what letter it is. I can come back to this if I figure it out at any time. I'm going to do this as much as I need to going forward, saving my work as I go. If I have any comments or questions, I'm going to scroll down to the Notes and Questions box. Once again, using the style guide, I will type my questions in this box. Make sure to hit Save Note. Anytime you want to see previous changes you made, you can click the Versions tab. When you feel your page is ready to be reviewed, click Done. You and your fellow volunteers will be assigned to peer review one another's work. More on that later. Remember, if you have any questions, check the style guide first. If you still have questions, make sure to put them in the notes and comments section under your individual pages. Thank you for watching.